It's a 2019 Honda Odyssey. Its biggest concern is the same as yours, your family. That's why the Odyssey is the champion of meeting your family's needs. It comes with all the amenities you need: auto-dimming rearview mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, V6 engine, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Experience it for yourself today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.